Alright, what's up guys? How's it going? Today we're going to be going out on Tucker. I just got back from Oregon. We went to Rockaway Beach to visit the in-laws. It was a lot of fun. I think my favorite part of the trip is we went to this place called Falcon Cove. It's got beautiful mountains, the ocean. It was gorgeous, man. It was my favorite part of the trip. I got some sweet pictures of the trees and the roads. We went to Cannon Beach, and we also went to Astoria. I got a couple pictures of some boats. It was really foggy out the day that we went there, and man, I think that was the first time I've ever actually taken photos in like crazy fog and mist. And probably one of my new favorite times to take pictures is when there's fog and mist. Man, the pictures come out super crispy and nice. They're just beautiful. Ooh, horses. Hi, horses. Another, oh, that's a cow. Another horse. God, I'm so dumb. My in-laws' house is freaking way beautiful. It's right along the coast, so you can just walk out to the beach. Me and the wife walked out to the beach every night and watched the sunset. It was gorgeous. Speaking of beaches, yeah, like I said, we went to Cannon Beach, and it's where the Goonies is at and everything. It was freaking gorgeous. Oregon really is just a gorgeous place for like mountains and stuff. They do have a lot of trees. I do want to go back and go to the redwoods. I know the redwoods isn't Oregon, it's mainly in California, but I think it's on that highway, so I think it'd be fun to road trip there and get some pictures of the redwoods with some of the homies. Speaking of homies, my homie Oscar let me borrow his 85 1.8 Sony E-mount lens. So I have that with me. I'm gonna go take some crispy shots with the Grom. I got some sweet pictures of his car yesterday with it. Shout out to Oscar for letting me borrow that. Really nice of you, dude. I appreciate it. I'll go ahead and link his Instagram down below. What else do I want to talk about, man? I don't know. It's just a gorgeous day outside. Life's good. The freaking sky is clear. It's October. I'm freaking super grateful and pumped because it was apparently supposed to snow today. Yeah, I believe that, but luckily the weather turned out a lot better than that. Tomorrow's actually my birthday too, so I'm grateful the weather turned out a lot better. Tomorrow it's supposed to rain like crazy though, so we'll see how that goes. I'm kind of hoping it doesn't, because I'm supposed to go to a pumpkin patch with Oscar and his girlfriend, so we'll see how that goes. Hopefully we're still able to. Speaking of pumpkins, hey, pumpkins. What we got? We got some sports, some sporty sports. There's not really any destination today, to be honest, guys. I'm kind of just out cruising, trying to put out some more content. I was gone for a whole week, and now I'm back. I'm back on the grind, back in the flow and things. And so I want to apologize in advance. I'm just having a hard time talking today. My mind's just kind of bleh. I'm sure we all have those days, right? That's an interesting truck. I need to go donate plasma. Oh, what a freaking beautiful car. Except you're not looking. God, dude. I take that car. I also take that back. His car's clean. I need to stop swearing. I want to make this like more of a family-oriented channel too, so everyone can watch. I don't want a little kid finding my video on accident and be like, "Oh, that guy said the F word. I'm gonna go say it." Was that a Mickey Mouse laugh? Welcome to Mickey's Playhouse. Or something like that. Whatever. I don't know. One thing that's been on my mind lately is, man, just gratitude. I'm super grateful. I wake up and I tell myself 5 things I'm grateful for every day. I have a good job. I have awesome co-workers. I'm healthy. I have good friends. I hung out with my homies last night. It was pretty fun. It was pretty basic. I mean, we just sat around in the garage just throwing the shit. But, you know, sometimes that's all you need, man. It's just fun to be with homies and chat and dick off. So Oh, that tundra. Oh, is that tundra? Yeah, it's so sexy. Oh, man. Oh. Dude, was my turn signal on that whole time? Rip. You just honk at me? This Jeep just honk at me? Nice. What's the speed limit, dude? What's the speed limit? I am gonna go the bare minimum. I'm pretty sure the speed limit's 35, so I'm just gonna cruise along up 30 miles an hour. Hey, there's the douchebag that almost killed me. Good old Gualberto's, the good old... That's a good place to eat. I'm going for it. Whee! At least I can't break any speed laws on this thing. Unless I'm going in a school zone. We're gonna go this way. Thank you. Look at me, I'm too cool for a helmet, and I'm also too cool to wave to you because I'm too cool to live if I crash. Look at these beautiful ass mountains, man. I don't know how fast I'm going. Oh shit! Let's go. You don't know. Relax, Mercedes. Chill, Bill. Oh God, no, a hill. Not a hill. She don't like the hills. Well, he don't like the hills. It's a boy. It's Tucker. Whatever. Oh, I know where I'm at. There's a Toyota dealership over there, and then there's going to be a Walmart on the left. She do like downhill, though. He do like downhill. He does like the downhill. Yeah, Zerchers, yeah! I refuse to buy tools from Home Depot. Mainly because I like to go to Harbor Freight. Their tools are a lot cheaper, but I guess Harbor Freight, man, if you look up the definition of what you get, what you pay for, yeah, there's gonna be a picture of Harbor Freight. Holy shit, because it's crazy, because sometimes their tools, they'll last you an eternity. But then there's other times where it'll break, and it'll be very inconvenient, like, let's see what I have. Oh, Hex. I don't know the names of tools other than Jared. Dudes. You put the screwdrivers that are like hex shaped or whatever. You can put it in there and shit. It snapped off. All right. And then my day and shit and ruined. So one time when I was little, man, I was obsessed with Teletubbies. Give me a break. I was obsessed with the red one. I think what's the red one's name? Poe? I can't remember honestly, but I was obsessed with. I love Teletubbies. And my dad decided to surprise me when him and my mom were still together. He decided to surprise me with one of the stuffed animal plush things. It's like half stuffed animal, and it's got like the rubber head. I don't know what you call those, like makeshift stuffed animal. Anyways, he came home, he surprised me with it. So, and I was so excited, blah, blah, I played with it, and then I basically wanted to sleep with it at night. So, I did that. I was sitting there laying with it, and all of a sudden, I felt something move. And that's all I remember. Sorry, dude. I waved to him, and then that's all I remember. And but apparently, according to my dad and mom, they swear by this. I believe it actually. That Teletubby, that's 2000, hell yeah. That Teletubby came alive and it was making noise. It opened my door apparently. Dude, this is pretty wild. And I guess it was walking down the stairs and it had green glowing eyes, and my dad was like tripping balls and my mom was scared shitless. So yeah, in the middle of the night, I turned on the lights, took this thing outside and chainsawed my Teletubby and threw it away. And I was kind of confused of where my Teletubby went. I was a little bummed, but they didn't tell me that story till I got older, and I was like, you guys must have been smoking some hella good weed. Nah, I believe them though. My mom is a saint. She would never do anything like that or lie or make believe, and she swears by it, so I guess I'll believe her. I actually believe in that shit. I do believe in ghosts and spirits, possessions and whatnot, so I'm pretty about it. I love me some Halloween. I'm not biased because my birthday's in this month. Let's wait to the Subi. I don't know, fuck why. Damn you, Oscar! You and your Subaru. Now I'm waving all the Subi people. Dude, my turn signal's been on this whole time. Dude, oh my god. Oh, that was a snake. Ugh. This weather is so freaking beautiful. Oh man, it feels so good. I want to get a new lens. I have a Sony, but I like my 16-35, but I want to get a prime lens. I really want to get the Sigma 85 DGDN one that came out that's specifically for mirrorless cameras. Oh man, that one's a good one, because I had their first 85mm 1.4 art lens, and that thing was freaking massive. It took great pictures, but it was just very demotivating to carry around and want to, like, it didn't make you excited to go out and shoot, to be honest. I like smaller lenses, but the new one is even smaller than the Sony G Master one, and apparently it takes better pictures too, and it's like $700 less. So that's a no-brainer. I really want that lens so bad. But I also want the Sony 24mm G Master f1.4. My lens is just a good run and gun freaking for street photography and stuff. It's more so for what I want to do. It'd definitely be more geared to what I want to do. I have a 16-35. That's the only lens I personally own right now. I sold the big fat ass 85mm f1.4 Sigma just because, like I said, it didn't really get me excited to go out and shoot. It was a pain in the ass to carry around. It was heavy as hell. The 16-35 has been pretty good. It's not been too bad. The G Master one is it goes to f2.8, but it opens up to f2.8. But the one I have only goes to f4, and I mean, it's just I don't know. It's not enough, to be honest. This guy is just riding me. Go, go! You're gonna ride me. Go. Dude, the gas mileage on this thing's amazing. That is a view. Anyways, guys, I just wanted to go ahead and get this video done and at least upload something. Try to upload something before the end of the week. I think I'm gonna go ahead and call the video right here. I appreciate all the love and support. Thanks for everything you guys do. Please go ahead, if you could, my birthday ask would be to just share this video as much as you can. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, just get the video out and share my channel. More than anything, not doesn't even have to be this video, just share my channel. Maybe go on my Instagram and comment which picture I have on there that's your favorite so far, or which video you like, or which part of a video you like. So thanks for all you guys do. I'm gonna call it. So have a good weekend. Bye.